Trisha, what you got today?
Gift
From
Dada.
Dada?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Can I see what Dada buy for you?
No.
Oh, you don't want to share. Dada, she don't want to show your gift.
I open.
Okay.
This one.
That one. What is that?
It's like a figurine box.
Then.
This one.
Oh, you have Stitch. It's big. So can you open the box and show us what is that?
It's like random inside.
Oh, inside. So that's the first gift for you, Dada. Okay. The first and the last. Yes.
She knows better.
Nice.
Let's see. What I got.
See, Trisha, in this camera, you're beautiful.
Mama, you're being mean to
Oh,
me.
squishy. Then,
Mama,
it's a malos. It's a malos.
it's a food.
Ah, it's a food. May I see this one? Oh, okay. It's a diaper.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Moment of truth.
May I see?
Wow!
Which one is this one?
What's that one? May I see?
I think
May I see that one? I think
this one.
the yellow one?
This one.
Possible.
The Equatus artwork.
Wow, so nice. So this is the clothes of your toys.
Oh wait, you still haven't put on the clothes. Wait,
Okay.
we're gonna know if it's put on the clothes.
This
And
one.
this one.
Okay, so the name is Mimiso. So where did you buy that one?
On Minsu.
Mimiso. Okay, so what's the name of that one? I think the name is Aloha. Because here, look guys, it's Aloha. You see?
The one that has a tree on the head.
Oh, so cute naman your...
Kidnap. Gonna look like you're being kidnapped.
Oh, I'm thinking that one is diaper.
Can you see the picture?
Okay, this is the pictures. Look, this is the pictures. Okay, nice. So wow,
It's a diaper.
that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got your phone.
Ah, you got my phone.
Yeah, I got your
Really?
phone. Yeah.
Which phone?
This one.
That one?
Yeah. It's your gift.
Ah, that's my gift for you. Oh my gosh, you're very expensive, naman. You're so much demanding.
Why did you give me?
Huh?
You're the one said you give me.
That's a joke only.
Ah.
Yeah, it's a joke. Right, Dada? Oh, see, Dada. He said yes.
No, Mama said it's a joke, but it's gonna give me the phone. You said yes.
So, what you gonna say for my Dada?
Thank you so much, Dada. Arigatou gozaimashita. Which one is the baby?
So nice. That's the gift of Dada. You know, Dada gonna buy for me the bigger than one. You know.
I know I'm gonna say that one.
But it's cute. It's very nice, the color. So cute. Then I think it's better you remove this one. This is for you. Then the big one is for me.
Oh, but a baby.
Yeah. How about baby? That's not a baby. Okay, so.
Get your phone.
Okay. See, bye-bye.